Okay, guys, today is the day that I have been waiting for. Why does you know that cat's name is, or nickname, is Stinky? Its real name is Dinks. Stinks. She stinks. But she's not running my joy. Because, look, and don't say Now, before I get down to the business and the nitty gritty and the shot, da ba loo ba ba la bang bang, if you don't watch anything, watch that Little Richard documentary on CNN. And I learned the definition of queer. It's more understandable, even to me. But those of you who bust my balls constantly with love, and some with a little bit of Asian flavor. Anyway, question me on my purchase here, which is Ruben. Now, is there any other Ruben? Yes. There is the Ruben, the painter. There is Ruben, what's his last name? Spanish musician. Anyway, I am lollygagging. So I have had, and it's well documented and proven. Okay, so you can check back with all of my old videos to see for yourself why I have a beef. Not a beef, it's just 3 strikes you're out. And I gave at least 10. But when you visit for the first time and they don't even know who you are, and you're with someone who only talks about Ruben and takes you to the private collections. She is a boss. She knows who she is. And I love her dearly. But that was not a beef. That was poor customer service. It had nothing to do with SVO proper. There was a lot of drama with me and orders and mix-ups and promises, and you can look at that. But without explaining it further, I had only heard of the great and powerful wizard. Of SVO. And it was never available to me. And you know what? I was fine because I don't think it's special to get backdoor deals and all of that and the other, which takes away from the general public. But hey, that happens in every business and corporation where there's a commodity, a hot commodity, and there's only a finite amount of those commodities, and orchids is such that thing. Snooze, you lose. It's who you know. It's how much money you can spend. It is all about moolah, cheese, coin, pocket, book. Anyway, if you have all those, you will get access, you will get priority, and maybe I just fluked and stumbled into the Kingdom of Oz. But somehow on Instagram, I was commenting, and I very rarely comment, as you know, on YouTube, on my own video. So, but I flipped through and saw a beautiful, I can't even tell you what it was now, but I could not even stop thinking about this flower all day. And then later, I looked at the comments and noticed that the person whose Instagram page it was said something about divisions and such. And I noticed other people also commenting that they were happy with their division, their purchase. So I threw it out there. Now bear in mind, the Instagram is RCO dot whatever. So who knows who that is? You know, did I not get a plant list and a website? No, you did not, Ruben. So there's your answer. I had to look and I had to buy because Naomi would kick my ass. Shut up already. Damn. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up because I am not accustomed to getting such special plants that everyone that I know, and trust me, I know everyone who is anyone, not any. So it's nicely packed. Love how I got there's a little special label right here that's got my moolah, my name, and my address. Okay. So, I just lost my breath because you see that right there? The encyclia you inquired about. Free. Woo! Go, F-E-O. No. Y'all know I'm 58. I'm too old for that. Madonna. No, that's not Madonna. That is Brooklyn. No. Harlem. Okay, so we're opening it up. This is special. Can you tell I'm happy? I feel special. I'm gonna sit. I feel pretty. I used to go out with this guy. Actually, I didn't go out. We lived together in Seattle. Anyway, he taught me so much about everything. He taught me about drawing and painting and anywho, this is the plant. And this is the plant, has to be, which is LC, the future's best cocoa wax, chocolate drop times orchid glade. That's got to be that plant that I saw him post. Beautiful red, deep red. Gotta be. I can't remember now, but that's okay. Now, what was I thinking of Mark McClung for? He would say that where I said, I ain't gonna repeat it. It's copyright. I'm already on the from vultures. Okay, so I'm waiting on my dinner, my lunch, and I got this, which is Naomi times key lime stars beef. Beef. It's beef. It's good for you. Okay, so this is a little bifoliate. I would do it good. I'll mount this and try to do better with Naomi Delight. Maybe it'll be a delight this time. Naomi, chime in and give me help. Okay. That's got a lot of growing to go, I imagine. Okay. Here we go. And they are nicely wrapped. Love the loose packaging. And this, obviously, is a Cattleya with a sheath. If that's not a sheath, then that's a worm. And I hope Dennis Rodman is not in my... I'm too close. And I hear my baby. But, oh yeah, he's here. And this is Cattleya times chocolate drop, which is Estrella something. Estrella de Aquila something. Sorry, I'm gonna turn this off, and I'll do. You know what? That cat, as soon as I start the film, filming, within 5 seconds, she's meow from wherever she is. She came down the stairs today. Has to be in the video. Okay, well, I forgot where I left off, but I am just gonna keep on unwrapping. And these are the Ruben plants, or divisions. So, and they were not expensive, folks. They were 20 and 25 bucks. Honestly. Okay. I suppose I ordered 2. And Renato, Encyclia Renato Schmidt Purple Sunburst, which is Orchid Jungle crossed with Alana. And I will assume that this is a duplicate. No, it's not. This is Golden Valnara Golden Spice, which is Richard Mueller, crossed with Epidendrum, stand 48. So they're different. And actually this Encyclia, well, that's not the Encyclia. This, you see, it has previously bloomed. And it's giving me 1, 2 new growths. Very, very good. Very, very good. And let's keep it moving. Okay, here we go. Big old plant. Nice and clean, smooth, leathery leaves. Exactly what you should get. Even put a little tissue in with moisture. Okay, this is LC Jalapa Ruben's Pick times Cattleya Bacteria Grape Wax, which my Cattleya Bacteria Grape Wax is in spike right now. Well, it's not in spike, but it's in sheath, and the sheath is filling up. So this is Jalapa times Bacteria Grape Wax, and I know that there was another Jalapa somewhere. Maybe I haven't opened it yet. Or maybe this is it. I'm not sure. I really don't remember, honestly. I'm just so honored to be able to get. Okay, and of course, the Orchid Hunter, JP, just called. And I have to restart the videos, but this is the last one, so I can call him back. Really nice size Cattleya. This is all still maturing, still growing very nicely. And here's another here that is maturing really good. This, well, anyway, it's been a long day, folks. This and this looks like new growth, yeah. And this is LC hot sauce times L Splendid Spire times SLC Golden Treat times LC Spring Fire. I can't tell you what that is. Let me look and see. Well, I guess I've thrown out the invoice already. And I did. So, and I'm not gonna go out. I'll just figure it out. And I'll let you know. I'll write it in the comments. But something tells me that I got this one. And I'm pretty sure I ordered this. And I know I ordered this. I'm not sure, maybe this is the one that I got, that he sent me. Anyway, folks, this is from Ruben. Feel free to look him up. You know how to get him if you know. I'm not going there. I am keeping my mouth shut. I've already said it. So anyway, thanks for watching, folks, and enjoy yours and mine. Bye. So yes, it was the Encyclia, and look at the prices, $25.20. Well, that was a big plant, 50, 25, 30, 20. Not so bad. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Enjoy your orchids. Bye.